The entire crypto market is bleeding. MOG coin is bleeding as well with the entire crypto market. What actually is going on? Why is MOG coin dropping in value? Can we see MOG coin, pump this 2025? Can this coin still come back? Can it make a comeback? Can we see this coin skyrocket to the upside and make you and I massive gains that we have been expecting for some time now? I think we're gonna find out on today's video. I want us to go deep dive into what we have discussed in the past about MoCoin, see where price is at this point in time, and look at where price could go, or how far price could go downward, and when can we expect to get that recovery that we need, guys. Every market or every coin experience ups and downs. During the upward trend, so many people out there think that the coin will never come down. Of course, those who invest always think that the market is going to be going up, 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 but they forget to note that there's a certain level that investors who invested a long time ago have to cash out profit. And now we have to test this coin. This is a moment that we're going to test more coin, the investors, to see whether these guys can actually hold and then pump back the price to the upside, because we haven't experienced this kind of test for more coin. Usually we see a dip, then we see a bounce back, but now we are seeing continuous dip, 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 and the same thing is happening with other altcoins out there. So I want us to go deep dive, like deep dive more than ever, to see where we are at this point in time, where we might expect price to go towards, and if price get there, what we should be doing. If you are joining me for the first time, you are watching the BETONG Crypto here. I create content to help you understand market structure, support and resistance, when to buy, sell, take profit. And the goal here is to make more Bitcoin. I'm all about making more Bitcoin trading altcoins. So if this sort of content interests you, you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. Having said all this good stuff, let's dive straight away to the chart of MoCoin. I want us to like dive deep into this chart, like, because I think most of you have been asking me questions like why the dip, why the dip. You mentioned in your videos that this was the bottom, but why is MoCoin keep dumping? Why this coin keep dumping? Well, MoCoin is dumping because of the big daddy. The big daddy is dumping. The big daddy is not doing well. You can see Bitcoin took a huge dip to the downside. If we look at the 4 hours time frame, we're gonna see the dip here. Look at this dip that Bitcoin took. But the good thing is Bitcoin bounced around this moving average here. You can see clearly this is the 200-day moving average, which is awesome. And I want Bitcoin to hold this moving average, and from there we're gonna expect at least recovery back to about $106,000, right up to the next all-time high, $111,000. Who knows? But the idea is we're gonna expect some recovery with Bitcoin, and this recovery is gonna impact more coin. Now let's look at where we are with more coin. This is where we are. Remember, guys, I mentioned that if we are able to break this level where we left back then, we could hold here this yellow line here, and if we fail to hold the zone, they can as well take us right down here. Can we actually see more coin go right down to this level? Of course they can do that, because we have already broken the key area, which was this one. So we break this key area, and because we break this key area, I'm a little bit more skeptical with the outcome that we're going to receive, now onwards. So, but one good thing is, price is approaching a key area as well that we might expect price to bounce from. And which key area is this? This is a key area that price is approaching. If price is gonna able to hold this key area here as well, then it's gonna be good, right? Price is almost there, and this is gonna be contingent based on what Bitcoin is gonna do. Okay, because if Bitcoin is going to be taking out the liquidity from the market, then more coin is going to be draining as well. It doesn't mean that more coin is bad or the investors are gone, but right now people want to favor Bitcoin. You want to get into Bitcoin, these whales who have been making money. Because if you look at the chart very well, from when it was launched, and now you're going to see that we still have more liquidity down here that they can come and grab, and they can still come here and grab this liquidity. Trust me, guys, they can come here. Or let's say if the worst come to the worst, they can even bring price to this level here, this zone here. So we still have a long way to go, and for us to confirm more what could happen, like if say price goes our way, or if price is getting back on track. How are we going to confirm this, guys? We can fall down to the lower time frame, like the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what we should expect to happen before maybe the next pump is going to occur. Now look at where we are at this point in time. So we cannot just expect more coin to just pump like that. Okay, price need to do something like this, at least recover a little bit, calm down, hold, go hold. Then we're gonna see price trade sideways, reject downward and reject upward. Then we see price build the contract around these levels here. We need to see it build that contract around this level, and if that is the case, then we can expect more coin to make the next move to the upside. Now, should you buy more now? Of course, I will not recommend you to buy more at this point in time because the price has only just settled. Okay, until we see price get to this level here, price do something like this, get back up here, then hold here. Then this is when you want to buy more, like around this zone here. This is where you want to buy more, because for buying here is gonna be more risky. They can still take price down here. If you would have waited for some time, would have get it at a more cheaper price. So if it happens that they bring price down here, what you are waiting to happen is price to do something again like this, move up, come here, hold this zone, then you are buying here. There's a lot of upside or a lot of days to come before we can confirm that more coin is settled and maybe is attempting to make the next high. And again, we can still argue that we haven't yet come out from the danger zone. We are still in the danger zone because we have broken all of our trend lines, and now we need to start forming a new zone around this area. Yeah. So for us to create that zone, I'm just gonna just extend this line here right down there. So we can see if I extend this line right down here where we are, it means that we need to experience price go a little bit sideways for some time before the next move. So price might do something like this, go a little bit up, come down a little bit, retest the zone, go up again, then before price break now. So we still have a long way to go before we see the next breakout. You guys can keep calm, keep monitoring what is going on with more coin. If say you don't understand TA and you want to learn TA, then I can teach you what I do here. Guys, you need to understand how price moves. Like if say I would have been someone who is buying the dip, like just buy the dip, I would have gotten some more here. But I don't just want to buy because price is dropping. I want to buy knowing that price has settled and price is about to pump. That's why I bought more, yeah. Because at this point in time, I was thinking maybe price was gonna do something like this, go to the upside, then maybe retest again. I buy more, then price move to the upside. But now I bought it at a good zone. I can wait a little bit to see what price will do. If price retrace here and price is not able to go and make higher highs, I can sell some here at break even. So I'm just trying to help you guys understand how TA is important. If you understand TA, you can see key levels where price could reject. And if you zoom out like on the weekly time frame, you're going to see even more data on what price has done previously and what price might do in the future. So you can see clearly where we are. I've extended this zone right down here. So I'm gonna take off this one first now. So this now is not longer the zone I want to see price get to. Where I want to see price get to is this upside. I want to see price do something again like this from where it is. Move a little bit up, come down, move a little bit up, come down. Then we see price break now. Break structure, then we test structure. That's when we are gonna be getting in full time. But for now, we are not safe. It's gonna take some couple of days for price to do this. But now, guys, if say you are so worried about more coin, it means you didn't cash out profit when price was pumping. Look at where price left. How many percent? No, right down here. Price left right down here. And I've been talking about this coins long time when price was here. So price left here from this zone to the upside. How many gains is that? How many percent is that? That was more than like almost 5x. So if you're there crying, it means you bought more coin at the top. right? Which is bad. That's why I insist. If say you don't understand TA, you need to learn TA. You need to understand how the market moves and look at the coins that you are investing in to see how they move. Like this movement to the upside would have given you a signal that maybe price is gonna retest structure. And where did price started moving? Yeah. So if we're gonna bring in the fifth tool from where price left to the top, you're gonna realize that we are still around this zone where price left. So price is could still come right down here. As I mentioned, price could still come right down here, and hold this other zone here. That's why I mentioned you don't have to buy at this point in time. Wait a little bit to see how price is gonna play out. But if it comes to whether this coin is dead or if it has a future, I don't think this coin is dead. I think the future for more coin is still there. The market cap is now at 463 million. The liquidity is around 800K. The volume is low, like really low, and we are not seeing like something happening with the coin, but still it's among the top meme coins out there. And if say we're gonna see more capital deploy into the meme space, go to more coin as well. So if you're investing in more coin, don't just invest everything you got. Try to allocate a portion of your portfolio. And again, if you want to learn how to deal with portfolio, I can help you through my portfolio management session to help you understand how to balance your portfolio, how to manage portfolio, so that you know how to allocate to your different to different coins that you are holding. And again, don't forget that Bitcoin is the alpha, and whatever you do, make sure it's aligned with what Bitcoin is doing. That's why I mentioned we might see a little bit of dip again downward, because Bitcoin could still go right down to 90K, or 96K. And if that's the case, more coin is gonna keep bleeding. You're gonna keep bleeding. So that's that for this video. If it was helpful to you and you want to see more of such mock coin video or any related videos, then make sure you are subscribed to the platform, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. I will said all this good stuff, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.